Sneaky crucifix setup from guard pass. Oh my gosh, he's sitting up. Okay, hide your arms. Don't give me anything. Here on the grip battle right here, I go for the head control, walk away, and he keeps trying to follow me. Side step, like you're going for the knee on the belly. Guess what? His arm is right here in between. This guy's a wrestler. He thinks he's going to take me down. Guess what I'm going to do? Knee down, underhook the other leg, pull that arm. Oh, yeah. Crucifix. Switch your leg just to make it nice. You want to tap him right now? Move your hip a little bit. Cross the wrist, pull the wrist up, and pull it down. Aye, that hurts. Now here, if you want to choke the guy, you're going to go and move right behind him. My thumb, as you can see here, can go under the chin. I grab the collar, pull the collar, then I put my elbow on my chest and open my chest. And like they say, that's all she wrote.